guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry about the noisy background, but for today's video, I'm going to be doing this Marilyn Monroe inspired makeup look, and you're going to get ready with me for today, Christmas. And yeah, also, I'm not only going to do my makeup but my hair as well, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. And yeah, let's get on with it. But first, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. A quick disclaimer, I didn't actually try to copy Marilyn Monroe's face because obviously I'm an Asian and she's blonde, so there's a big difference between us. And yeah, enjoy watching!
It's not for me to say.
First things first, before I start putting everything on my face, I will use my regular moisturizer. Then I will go straight in with my brows using the Beauty Glaze Brow Gel. I got my eyebrow shade number 4 and it was the darkest one because it really matches my hair perfectly. I always do my brows with detail first before I fill in the front of my brows with hair-like strokes. This technique will make my brows look realistic than drawing because I try to avoid them to look more boxy. Then I go in with the primer. So the primer I'm using is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer in matte. Okay, so this is the cringiest part. I'm going to use this lightest concealer I got, and I'm going to apply it on my dark spot, and it will act as my color corrector. And I'm going to blend it using my fingers because it's hard to blend with a regular blending sponge. And I know it looks white on my skin, but you will see the trick later on. Then I'm going to cover it with my foundation, which is the Fit Me by Maybelline in the shade 230. And I'm just patting it over that color corrector.
It's not for me to say. You love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's.
Then I'm going to set my base using the pressed powder by Sassy Lady. I'm just going to put it all over my face. Since my foundation is too light for me, I'm going to bronze my face and try to even out my skin using the Wet n Wild contouring palette. Then I'm going to bake my under eyes using the lighter shade on the contouring palette. Now for my eyes, I'm going to use this Color Studio palette by Beauty Glaze, and I'm going to use the light brown or neutral brown on my eyes first. I'm going to apply it on my crease and just above it. Then I'm going with this darker brown or the contour shade in the palette, and I'm going to apply it directly on my crease, and I'm going to blend it just because it looks a little bit harsh. Then I'm going to cut my crease using the same concealer I used to color correct my skin.
It's not for me to say. You love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's.
Now I'm going to apply the shimmer shade with pinky tone to it all over that concealer I put on my lid, and then I'm going to apply the other lighter shimmer shade on the inner corner of my eyes.
For me to say.
And a little bit on the brow bone. Now I'm going to use the black gel eyeliner by Beauty Glaze, and I'm just going to apply it on the top lash line of my eyes. I'm not going to do a wing with it because I'm going to use the pen eyeliner on to do the wing because it's easy to use. Now time for mascara, and the mascara I'm using is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, and I'm going to apply it only on my bottom lashes because I already put on some falsies, and the falsies I'm using are flirty lashes that I bought from Shopee. Now I'm just going with the blush, and the shade I'm using is the blush shade from the Color Studio palette, and I'm just contouring my nose and try to make it look thin like Marilyn. And I'm going with the highlight from Beauty Glaze again, and I'm going to apply it on my cheekbone and the tip of my nose. Now time for lipstick. I'm going to use the Duo lipstick by O2O, and this is in the shade dark red, I guess. And I'm going to overline my lips with it and fill it in. I'm just going to let it dry before I put on the gloss by Sassy Lady. Now I'm just going to put beauty marks on my face. I'm using the brow gel by Beauty Glaze because that is the trademarks of being Marilyn, and that's basically the whole look. Now we're going to jump right into the hair. So for the hair, I'm using the mini straightening iron that I brought from Shopee, and I'm just going to curl the end of my hair.
It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
It's
You can skip this part if you want to because I don't think everyone like to curl their bangs, but I do like to curl my bangs with this look. So yeah. After that, I'm going to put some pastel hair clips on, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this video, and let me know if I really rock with this Marilyn look because I think I look more like Betty Boop. But anyway, I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye!